Howdy, y'all, here am I, the flower of barefoot, sweet and shy.
Georgia peach can't compare with pretty and the average bear, Cindy Bear.
I don't mind if I do. Tell y'all I love Yogi, yes, it's true. He swept me clear off my feet. I repeat, I love Yogi, yes I do. Now I've known big bears and some little bears too, funny bears and sad bears, but I tell you true, ever since I met Yogi Bear, I feel something like magic in the air.
Hey, that's like love, don't it, boo-boo boy? Make me love, dog.
So howdy, y'all, here am I, flower of barefoot, sweet and shy.
Magnolia tree can't compare with
prettier than the average bear, Cindy Bear. That's me.
This is smarter than the average bear, Yogi Bear, here to introduce the world's greatest private eyes, Super Snooper and Blabber Mouse.
If you've got a house you would protect, if there is a crook you want us to detect, here's Snooper and Blabber, as smart as can be. Bring your cases to the Snooper Blabber Agency. Just bring them to the Snooper Blabber Agency. We'll follow up the caper in our disguise, for we are just the greatest of the private eyes. We'll follow up the caper in our disguise, for we are just the greatest of the private eyes.
Blab to Snoop, 10-4.
Come in, Blab, 10-4.
I'd like to call this case Dallas for Snooper. I was tracking down a very dangerous jewel thief, and I decided to check in at the office. Blab to Snoop, over.
Come in, Blab, over.
You know this jewel thief I've been tailing for a month?
Fill me in the details of the case, Blab.
Well, he's robbed 3 more jewelry stores and 2 banks.
So what else is new? While out on a case, we grab a cab and radio cars, we head for the lab. While tailing suspects we're slick as can be, bringing cases to the Snooper Blabber Agency. Just bring them to the Snooper Blabber Agency. We'll follow up the caper in our disguise, for we are just the greatest of the private eyes. We'll follow up the caper in our disguise, for we are just the greatest of the private